Faux Pas, or Faux Pas, decoding the phrase. Hello, wonderful learners. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting phrase that sometimes confuses people, faux pas. Is it really about a fox? Let's find out. Remember, sometimes the English language has quirky expressions, and today we're going to explore one of them. Here's the twist. The phrase isn't really faux pas. It's faux pas. It's a French term that's been adopted into the English language. Faux means false or fake in French, and pas means step. So, when combined, faux pas roughly translates to misstep or false step. In everyday English, it refers to a blunder or mistake, especially in a social context. English speakers often have fun with words and sometimes misinterpret foreign phrases based on how they sound. Since faux pas is pronounced like faux pas, it's humorously misunderstood as faux pas. This is not a legitimate term, but it's a playful misinterpretation. If someone says faux pas, they might be joking or they might have misheard the original term. To help you grasp the meaning, here are some examples. 1. Wearing white to someone else's wedding can be considered a faux pas. 2. He realized he made a faux pas when he called her by the wrong name. 3. Interrupting someone during a speech is a big faux pas. So there you have it. Next time you hear faux pas, remember that the real phrase is faux pas, a small misstep or blunder in social situations. We hope this clears up any confusion. Keep learning and embracing the quirks of the English language. Until next time, happy learning!